One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1996 Ford F-250, and it's county maintained. This thing was the Spokane Police Department for the volunteer patrol. They go around and pick up bicycles and stuff that were left, throw them in the back. And it's a one owner truck, county maintained. They use your tax dollars to take care of this thing. No expenses spared when you're using taxpayer money. Had a big old shell on it with a rollout thing. It's got low miles. I took the shell off. It was ugly. So I'm redoing a video about the shell because it was just ugly. And that's the only reason I still have it, because that shell was awful. Now I ain't got a tailgate for it. That's about the only bad thing I can say, is except I think the front tires should be replaced soon. Runs and drives great. Tranny was rebuilt 20 or 30,000 miles ago. And that's about what I can say. I'm going to show you up close. My name is Nathan. 406-546-8748. Call me anytime. Oneownercarguy.com. And lots of videos on there, about 4,000 or 5,000 of them. It's great overall shape. Wheel wells and everything. Clean. A little patina from just, the road and such. Underneath it. Super clean. We use this to go get my Christmas tree this year. So, runs good. Trust it. Chip there. A little jizz holding that in. Miscellaneous chips and such on it. Miscellaneous, there's a ding here or there. In fact, there's a ding on that there. That's probably what pushed this down slightly. But, straight truck. A little bit of chippy there. And going down the sides, super straight. But right on that back fender, there's a little, like a crease there, like they rubbed against something lightly. There was stickers on it, so there's a little residue left. Right here. It's just a little, they rubbed it up against something here on this fender lip. Now, still looks good from the bed. It's like really nice here. These are from where the shell was on. A little, something was rubbing there probably. And that's that. Let me show you underneath the back. Bumper should be painted or replaced or something. Couple holes from where the roll-in drawer was, but super clean. I don't think they ever used this bed. Nobody ever seen it. It ain't all banged up or nothing. It's definitely clean. Underneath it, it's a super clean truck. I don't know what this is. I know we sprayed the back of the shell, but I don't think we got overspray on it like that. So I don't know what that is. There's little decals in different places. Chip here. Going down this side, super straight. Super straight. There's gotta be a ding somewhere. I'm not seeing anything really. Chips along the door from opening up into something probably. Let's just say there's a ding I'm missing. Ding, haha, ding. Tape. And that's pretty much the outside of it. I'll show you the inside of it and under the hood here, and that's the deal. Under the hood, clean as can be. 7.4 liter 460. It's the big boy. Super clean truck. Very well maintained. And where's the Louis rebuilt transmission? 813, 122. I think that was 20,000 ago. Pretty much the rest of the video, you're gonna see me test driving it, and the interior will still have the back camper on. If you like it, it would make the coolest 4x4 thing you could imagine. For like camping in the hills or something, hunting. It would have made a cool hunting rig. I wish I'd have sold it that way instead of just selling it as a truck, because it didn't do it no justice having that camper on. The rest of it will be all that. Here we go. All right, I'll show you in this side first. Beautiful door panels. They're in great shape. Everything's in great shape. Even the floor, it's a little wrinkled up from just like being used and being 30 years old, but not a lot of wear on the pedals. Transmission rebuilt 30,000 miles ago. Seats in great condition. It's not all tore up or anything. There's no ribs. A little bit of extra fraying around the seatbelt outlet, I guess you'd say, on both sides. What are you doing?
gonna look behind.
They had something mounted in the middle there, and you can see there's holes in the rubber flooring. But the rubber flooring, there's not even any heel marks, which is kind of amazing. I don't see any rips, tears, or anything like that.
Dada.
Dash looks great. We got a spotlight. Everything works on that. Kind of cool.
Seatbelts behind.
There's seat belts back there. Yeah, you have lap straps and regular ones. That's cool, huh?
Yeah. I want to tell you something.
I don't want to be here. I gotta work.
I want to.
Are you opening the door for me?
Yeah.
Well, you're a big helper.
I needed to get down.
Can you get out so where I can show people the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, there's some kind of a mark there. Other than that, man, the seats are gorgeous. The floor is in great shape. Doesn't even really seem like they've used it much. Got carpet. They actually put carpet in there. Don't have the owner's manuals. No cracks or anything in the dash. You know, Fords hold together well. Missing the rear view, but this is in great shape. I'm going to pop this up too. Show you the back. The floors and everything. Great condition. Lights. You know, I wonder. Oh, wow. Both of the side lights work. There could be one bulb. No, it's one bulb. Thought there might be one out. Looks good. Wow, the Velcro still works. That's cool. So great shape. Like I say, man, the truck's clean. You want to say hi?
Hi guys. I was here, David, and be quiet because we're gonna kill some rock chucks.
We have rock chucks out here, and we have to hunt them every now and then. Under the hood, clean, 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 clean. This is replaced again. And also, here's where it says Louis rebuilt the transmission, etc. So, and it's all government county maintained for Spokane. Okay, this thing fires right up. Cold AC, everything's nice as can be. 152,809. Cruise control, dual tanks, trailer brakes. Ain't never even been smoked in. And just clean as can be. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Oh, there's tape on this overdrive stick. They do that. The overdrive works and all, but you can do stick. I think they're about $27 or so on Amazon. Worst thing I know on this truck is the heater core gurgles a little bit. Nice driving truck. That's right up to 60. Brakes good, stops good, shifts good. Tranny was rebuilt at 122, I think the notes say. So, I'll go back down the side road here. Up shifts, down shifts, just like it should. Nice truck. I'm gonna slow down and give her all she's got. I let off there a little bit because it's got a lot. Big old 460. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna head on back to the place here. Hope I can get around my trailer. Jeez. And on this truck, everything I've tried works except for the spotlight. I think I seen a wire clip going down into the door. Whoa, dude! With the safety glasses?
Yeah.
Okay. My son sure loves being out here and doing videos with me. You like doing videos?
Yeah.
We're gonna say goodbye now. You want to say goodbye to all subscribers and tell them to subscribe and like the video?
Subscribe now and like the video. Bye-bye. High five.
High five to the camera. Whoa, dude! Thanks for watching. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Vladimir, thank you. You're awesome. And like that's just, he says I am. So whatever, man. That's just my video. It's a great truck.
We will talk to you next time with a boat right now, and we're not gonna sell it to you. We're gonna use it then drive it.
Good job, bud. That's that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Check the website. There's probably like 50 to 80 pictures and, you know, about a 15-minute video. We'll talk to you.